Hello friends, we are back with Python series once again. Today we are going to learn first program in Python. Printing hello world in any programming language is the utmost basic program to anyone learn as a beginner. Hello world program is often used to illustrate the syntax of the programming language. The print function in Python is used to print Python objects as strings as standard output. Python print function has following syntax. Print string. String can be created by enclosing the character or the sequence of character in quotes. In Python programming, strings are enclosed inside the single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. So to begin with, you need to install Python. I am assuming that you have already installed Python on your system. If Python is not installed on your system, then please watch our previous video how to install Python on Windows. So let's begin. Method 1. Using command prompt. Open command prompt and type Python and hit enter. You will see a Python version and enter in interactive mode. In interactive mode, you can run your script line by line in a sequence. So let's see how it is done practically. Open command prompt. You will see something like this on your screen. Write Python. After writing Python, you will see the version of Python is shown. Now you will see three symbols of greater than. This shows now you are in interactive mode and now you can write Python codes. Method 2. Using Python IDE. While installing Python, one IDE named IDLE is also installed. Using the IDLE, you can write and also run your programs. First, click on Start, then Run, and then write Python. It will be shown IDLE Python 3.6. So, let's see now how it's done. First, type Python in Run and press enter. After that you will see Python IDLE. Press on it and open it. Now Python IDLE is open. You can write Python codes in it. You can see whole procedure on screen now. Method 3. Command line. Step 1. Create a folder named Python program in desktop. Step 2. Open Notepad and save it as hello.py. Step 3. Write the below code in it. Print hello world. Step 4. Open Python IDLE. Then press Ctrl+O. Then select hello.py file from Python program folder. In step 5, you have to press F5. Your Python code will run now. Now, let's see the procedure practically on screen. Method 4. Run hello.py file from command prompt. Step 1. Open command prompt. Step 2. Change directory to desktop Python program. Step 3. Type python space hello.py. Now let's see how it's done. As we have already told how to make hello.py file in desktop. Now to run it, we have to open command prompt. To run the file, we have to first locate that file in command prompt by using change directory command. After locating the file, you have to type python space hello.py and hit enter. Now you can see hello world on screen. This means you have successfully run Python script using command prompt. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon for more updates. Thank you.